Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you something. Are your daily habits building your future or are they silently destroying it? Because the truth is success isn't built in a single day. It's built in the small choices you repeat every single day. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal 5 powerful habits that can completely transform your entire life if you dare to apply them. So stay with me till the end because this could be the wake-up call you've been waiting for. And if you're ready to rise higher, hit that subscribe button right now because your transformation begins here. Life isn't about the big dramatic changes that happen overnight. It's about the small intentional choices we make every single day that slowly yet powerfully shape who we become. You see, transformation doesn't come from waiting for miracles. It comes from building habits that turn into a lifestyle, and that lifestyle eventually becomes your destiny. If you truly want to rise to your highest potential, if you want to live a life that feels extraordinary, then you have to start paying attention to the little things you do on repeat. Because your habits are the architects of your future. The first habit is discipline. Discipline is not about punishment or deprivation. It's about keeping a promise to yourself. It's about doing what you said you would do long after the excitement has faded. When you commit to a goal, when you say to yourself, this is who I want to be, discipline is the bridge that will carry you across every obstacle, every temptation, every moment of doubt. Think of all the times you've promised yourself you'll wake up early, go to the gym, start that project, or finally give your dreams the attention they deserve. How many times have you allowed excuses to win? The habit of discipline is about refusing to negotiate with laziness. It's about becoming someone whose go or means something, not just to others but to yourself. Imagine the power of waking up every day and knowing that you can count on you. That feeling alone can transform the way you approach everything in your life. The second habit is resilience. Life will test you in ways you never expect. Plans will fall apart, people will disappoint you, and sometimes, no matter how hard you work, the result won't be what you envisioned. But resilience is the habit of bouncing back, not just getting up, but getting up stronger, wiser, and more determined than before. When you build resilience into your life, failure doesn't paralyze you, it fuels you. Pain doesn't define you, it refines you. Every time you push through something difficult, every time you choose to fight instead of surrender, you are training yourself to thrive in adversity. The world will never be short of challenges, but the people who rise to greatness are the ones who refuse to stay down. Resilience is a muscle, and the more you use it, the stronger it gets. The third habit is intentional learning. Knowledge is the most powerful currency you can ever own. Every book you read, every skill you pick up, every conversation with someone wiser, it all adds layers to your growth. Yet most people stop learning the moment they leave school. They settle into comfort zones and let curiosity fade away. But if you want to transform your life, you have to become a lifelong student. Read about people who inspire you, study the craft you want to master. Pay attention to the lessons hidden in your failures and successes. Learning isn't just about information, it's about transformation. Every piece of wisdom you gather shifts your perspective and expands what's possible for you. The world is evolving every day, and the ones who stay curious, hungry, and open-minded are the ones who keep evolving with it. The fourth habit is surrounding yourself with the right people. Energy is contagious, and the company you keep will either push you forward or pull you back. If you spend your time around negativity, gossip, and small-minded thinking, don't be surprised when your own life starts to shrink. But if you make it a habit to be around people who challenge you, who celebrate your wins, who speak life into your dreams, you will find yourself rising higher than you thought possible. Relationships are not about quantity, they are about quality. You don't need a crowd, you need a circle that fuels your fire instead of extinguishing it. Protect your space like it's sacred, because it is. The right people will remind you of who you are on the days you forget. The fifth habit is gratitude. In the pursuit of success, we often forget to appreciate the blessings we already have. Gratitude is not just about saying thank you when things are good. It's about finding the beauty, the lesson, the gift, even when life feels messy or uncertain. When you make gratitude a daily habit, you train your mind to focus on abundance instead of lack. You shift from what's missing to what's present, and that shift alone changes how you experience everything. Gratitude doesn't make your problems disappear, but it changes the lens through which you see them. It makes your journey richer, your relationships deeper, and your spirit lighter. It's the foundation that keeps you grounded when life tries to sweep you away. These 5 habits, practiced with consistency, have the power to redefine your reality. Discipline builds your trust in yourself. Resilience strengthens your spirit. Learning sharpens your mind. The right people elevate your environment. Gratitude transforms your heart. They are not quick fixes or magic formulas. They are daily choices that slowly but surely construct a life of strength, fulfillment, and purpose. Think about it. Every extraordinary person you admire didn't arrive at success by accident. They didn't. To stumble into greatness, they built it brick by brick, habit by habit. They fell, they rose, they kept going, and they surrounded themselves with people who lifted them higher. They never stopped learning, and they never stopped being grateful for the journey. And if they can do it, so can you. The difference between who you are today and who you want to become tomorrow lies in the habits you choose to embrace. You don't have to wait for the perfect moment. You don't have to wait for some massive breakthrough. Transformation begins with the next choice you make. Will you honor your discipline or break your promise? Will you rise from your setbacks or let them define you? Will you keep learning or stay stagnant? Will you choose people who fuel your fire or those who drain it? Will you practice gratitude or focus on what's missing? Every moment is an invitation. Every habit is a brushstroke, painting the masterpiece of your life. And when you commit to these 5 habits, you are not just changing what you do, you are changing who you are becoming. And that, more than anything, is the power to transform your entire life. Imagine standing at the edge of your own potential, looking out at everything you've ever wanted. Success, peace, fulfillment, love, growth. And realizing that the only thing separating you from it is the way you live your days. You don't need to change your entire world overnight. You just need to start stacking small, intentional actions on top of each other. That is how transformation works. It is not a moment. It is a series of moments that add up until one day you look back and barely recognize the old version of yourself. That's the magic of habits. They become invisible threads weaving the fabric of your destiny. Think of discipline as the backbone of every dream you have. Without it, dreams remain fragile, easily broken by distractions, emotions, or setbacks. But with discipline, even the most impossible goal becomes achievable. The truth is, motivation will not always be there. Some mornings you will not feel like getting up. Some days you will not feel like showing up. But that's exactly where discipline steps in. It whispers, do it anyway. It teaches you that consistency matters more than mood, that action matters more than inspiration. And slowly, that commitment builds a deep trust within yourself. When you know you can depend on your own word, you become unstoppable. Because the person who has mastered themselves has already won half the battle of life. But discipline alone won't shield you from the storms. Life will still hit you with rejections, failures, and unexpected detours. That's why resilience matters just as much. Resilience isn't about pretending you're unaffected by pain. It's about refusing to let pain hold you hostage. When life knocks you down, resilience is the voice that says, get back up, this isn't the end. Every failure you've experienced has carried a hidden gift, a lesson, a strength, a redirection. But you can only receive that gift if you refuse to stay stuck in disappointment. Resilience is a decision to see possibility even in hardship. And when you carry that mindset, no setback can truly defeat you, because you will always find a way to rise again. Picture resilience as fire. It forges you in the heat of struggle, it burns away your doubts, and it reshapes you into something stronger than before. Those who lack resilience collapse at the first sign of difficulty, but those who cultivate it transform difficulty into fuel. And if you want your life to expand, you must decide that no matter what comes your way, you will bend, but you will not break. Now, resilience keeps you standing, but learning keeps you rising higher. Too many people limit themselves by thinking they already know enough. They stop feeding their curiosity, and in doing so, they stop growing. wing. But life is a classroom that never closes. Every person you meet, every challenge you face, every success and every failure is a teacher in disguise. When you decide to live as a student of life, you open doors to endless possibilities. Reading, listening, exploring new skills. These are not small things. They are investments into your future self. Think of knowledge as wings. The more you learn, the further you can fly. The world evolves every single day, and if you refuse to grow with it, you stay stuck in place while everything else moves forward. But when you commit to learning, when you build the habit of curiosity, you expand your ability to adapt, to innovate, to create opportunities where none seem to exist. Knowledge makes you powerful, but wisdom, the application of that knowledge, makes you unstoppable. And as you grow, you begin to notice something else. The energy around you matters. The people you choose to let into your life either elevate you or drain you. This is why being intentional with your circle is a habit that can transform everything. If your environment is filled with negativity, doubt, jealousy, and gossip, it will poison your growth. No matter how disciplined, resilient, or knowledgeable you are, constant exposure to toxic energy will wear you down. But when you surround yourself with people who inspire you, who hold you accountable, who celebrate your wins and challenge your limits, you rise higher simply by being in their presence. Their energy becomes your fuel. Their belief becomes your reminder on the days when your own belief wavers. Protecting your circle is not selfish, it is necessary. Because you cannot build an extraordinary life if you are constantly being pulled into mediocrity by those who refuse to grow. Choose wisely, because your circle is not just your company, it is your mirror, reflecting the standards you accept for yourself. Yet even with the best circle, the strongest discipline, the sharpest mind, and the deepest resilience, there is one habit that gives everything else meaning: gratitude. Gratitude is the anchor that keeps you steady in the chaos of life. It shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance, from what you lack to what you have, from frustration to appreciation. It teaches you to see the beauty in small moments, to find lessons in struggles, and to celebrate the progress that often goes unnoticed. When you practice gratitude daily, something shifts within you. You stop waiting for happiness to come from the next achievement, the next milestone, the next big success. You start realizing that happiness can exist right here, right now, even as you chase bigger dreams. Gratitude doesn't mean you stop striving. It means you learn to enjoy the climb instead of only the destination. And when you live from that place of appreciation, you naturally attract more blessings because your energy becomes aligned with abundance instead of lack. Now imagine these 5 habits working together like gears in a powerful machine. Discipline keeps you moving forward. Resilience makes sure you rise from every fall. Learning expands your possibilities. The right people amplify your strength. Gratitude keeps your spirit light and your perspective grounded. Together they form a foundation so strong that nothing can shake it. Think about your own life right now. What would change if you stopped breaking promises to yourself and honored your discipline? How much stronger would you feel if you stopped letting failure define you and instead let it refine you? How much further could you go if you made learning a daily priority? What heights could you reach if you surrounded yourself with people who lifted you instead of limiting you? And how much joy could you experience if you stopped focusing only on what's missing and began celebrating what's already here? The answers are not abstract. They are real and they are within your reach. You don't need to wait for permission. You don't need the perfect plan. You don't need to have it all figured out. You simply need to start. Transformation doesn't happen when you know all the answers. It happens when you start living differently, one habit at a time. Every single habit you practice is casting a vote for the person you are becoming. The question is, are you voting for the future you want or for the future you fear? When you choose discipline over excuses, you vote for strength. When you choose resilience over defeat, you vote for courage. When you choose learning over stagnation, you vote for growth. When you choose the right people over toxic ones, you vote for elevation. When you choose gratitude over lack, you vote for fulfillment. And those votes cast day after day are shaping the life you will step into tomorrow. So today is not just another ordinary day. Today is a chance to decide differently, to live differently, to align your daily habits with the extraordinary life waiting for you. Your transformation is not in the distance. It begins here, in this moment, in the choice you make right now. Every single day, You are writing the story of your life. Every decision, every action, every choice becomes another line in the script of who you are becoming. And the truth is, most people underestimate the power of small daily choices. They think transformation is born in grand gestures, massive leaps, or rare opportunities. But the secret is much simpler. It is built in the quiet moments when no one is watching, when it's just you and your commitment. It's in those moments where you either honor your habits or betray them. And that's what separates those who merely wish for change from those who create it. Discipline. Nay is not glamorous, but it is powerful. It looks like waking up before the world does to focus on yourself. It looks like saying no to distractions when you could so easily give in. It looks like discipline is the thread that connects today's effort to tomorrow's reward. People often ask how to stay motivated, but the truth is, motivation is fleeting. Discipline is what carries you when the fire of motivation burns out. It becomes your compass, guiding you through the fog of excuses. And every time you choose discipline, you are teaching yourself that your future matters more than your comfort, that your dreams deserve to be prioritized over your temporary moods. When discipline becomes your foundation, resilience becomes your shield. Because no matter how focused you are, life will not always go according to plan. You will face rejection, heartbreak, and disappointment. You will fail at things you poured your heart into. And in those moments, the easiest option will be to give up, to shrink, to decide that maybe it just isn't meant for you. But resilience is the habit of refusing to stay down. It's looking at your scars and realizing they are proof that you survived, not evidence that you are broken. It's standing back up with more wisdom than before and saying, this setback will not be my ending. Think of resilience like water. It adapts, it flows, it carves paths even through stone. You too can carve paths through the hardest obstacles if you choose to bend without breaking. Every time you rise after falling, you are building emotional muscle. Every time you push through difficulty, you are becoming harder to defeat. Resilience doesn't mean you won't feel pain. It means pain won't paralyze you. And when you adopt this habit, you realize that failure isn't the opposite of success. It is a stepping stone toward it. But resilience alone isn't enough if you stop growing. The world is constantly changing, and the only way to keep up is to keep learning. This is where intentional learning becomes a transformative habit. Too many people stop feeding their curiosity once they feel comfortable. They graduate, get a job, settle into a routine, and then stop challenging themselves to expand. But comfort is the enemy of growth. The moment you stop learning is the moment you stop evolving. Learning is not confined to classrooms or degrees. It is everywhere. It is in books, in conversations, in mistakes, in travel, in observation. Every day holds lessons if you are willing to look for them. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this failure? What can I learn from this person? What can I learn from this moment? When you live with a student mindset, you never plateau, you never stagnate. You constantly expand your perspective, and the more you know, the more tools you have to build the life you desire. Knowledge fuels confidence. It gives you the power to make better decisions, to create new opportunities, to contribute more value to the world. And as your knowledge grows, so does your belief in what's possible for you. That's why this habit is so powerful. It transforms not just what you know, but who you become in the process of learning. And while you're learning and growing, you must also pay attention to the company you keep. Because no matter how disciplined, resilient, and curious you are, your environment has the power to either elevate you or limit you. People are energy, and their energy becomes the atmosphere you live in. If your circle is filled with negativity, judgment, and mediocrity, you will feel heavy, drained, and uninspired. But when you surround yourself with people who dream bigger, who challenge you to rise higher, who encourage you when you doubt yourself, you tap into a source of power greater than your own. Your circle is your mirror. It reflects back to you the standards you accept for yourself. If the people around you don't push you to grow, you risk staying stuck at their level. Protecting your energy means protecting your vision. Be intentional about who gets access to your mind, your time, and your heart. It's not about quantity, it's about quality. You don't need dozens of people. You need a handful who truly believe in you and who embody the values you want to live by. And in the middle of all this striving, building, and pushing, there is one habit that keeps your spirit whole. Gratitude. Gratitude is the light that cuts through the darkness of comparison and dissatisfaction. It reminds you that while you are chasing bigger goals, you already have so much to celebrate. It shifts your attention from what is missing to what is present, from scarcity to abundance. And when you live with gratitude, every day becomes meaningful, even the difficult ones. Gratitude doesn't mean settling. It means seeing the value in the journey. It means appreciating the small victories along the way, the lessons hidden in the struggles, the people who walk beside you. When you practice gratitude daily, you no longer postpone your happiness for someday. You begin to experience it right now, in the process of becoming. And that joy, that appreciation, fuels you to keep going, even when the road is hard. Now imagine how these habits intertwine. Discipline makes you consistent. Resilience makes you unshakable. Learning makes you limitless. The right people make you stronger. Gratitude makes you fulfilled. Together, they create a life that is not only successful, but deeply meaningful. This isn't about achieving one goal or reaching one milestone. It's about building a way of living that constantly elevates you. Think about where you are right now. If you were to fully commit to these habits, how different would your life look a year from now? Imagine waking up each morning with clarity, with strength, with focus, with gratitude. Imagine walking through challenges without fear because you trust your resilience. Imagine. In seizing opportunities with confidence because you've prepared yourself through learning. Imagine being surrounded by people who inspire you daily, who fuel your fire instead of dimming it. Imagine feeling joy, not just at the finish line, but at every step of the journey. That life is not a fantasy. It's the natural result of practicing these habits consistently. Transformation doesn't come from wishing, it comes from doing. And when you choose to live differently every day, when you choose habits that align with your highest vision, you unlock a version of yourself you never knew existed. A stronger, wiser, more courageous, more fulfilled you. Your habits are your superpower. They are the quiet architects of your destiny. And when you master them, you don't just change your days, you change your entire life. Transformation is not a single decision, it's a lifestyle. You don't arrive at it by chance, you create it intentionally. By now, you can see how these habits aren't just individual practices, but interconnected forces that work together, reinforcing each other and building a foundation for greatness. But here's the truth. Knowing them isn't enough. Understanding them won't change your life. You have to embody them, breathe them, live them until they become second nature. That's when you stop thinking about transformation and start becoming it. Think about discipline again, not as a burden but as freedom. Most people believe discipline is restrictive, that it takes away joy. But discipline is what gives you control over your life. Without it, you become a prisoner of impulse and emotion. With it, you become the architect of your future. Every time you choose discipline over distraction, you are reclaiming your power. You are reminding yourself that your future matters more than your excuses. And that is not restrictive, it's liberating. It frees you from the of inconsistency and gives you the peace of progress. Imagine how different your life would look if you were consistent for a year, 5 years, 10 years. That's how discipline transforms, it compounds. And then there's resilience, the unshakable armor you wear when life tests you. Because no matter how disciplined you are, setbacks will come. They are not a possibility, they are a certainty. But here's the gift. Setbacks aren't here to stop you, they're here to strengthen you. Resilience teaches you to extract wisdom from every fall, to use every disappointment as a stepping stone. It teaches you that the strongest version of you is forged in fire, not comfort. And when you've cultivated resilience, you stop seeing challenges as walls and start seeing them as doors. Doors that only open when you prove your determination. But the real beauty of resilience is how it transforms your relationship with fear. Fear no longer becomes a barrier, it becomes a signal. It tells you where your growth lies. When you're resilient, you don't avoid fear. You face it, walk through it, and discover that you're far stronger than you imagined. That's how resilience doesn't just protect you, it empowers you. Now let's return to learning, because this habit is often underestimated. It's easy to assume that knowledge is something you acquire once and then carry with you forever. But knowledge is alive, it grows, it evolves, and it needs constant renewal. The world changes, Industries shift, opportunities emerge, and if you stop learning, you fall behind. But when you keep learning, you stay adaptable. You remain open to possibilities that others can't even see. Think about it. Every book you read expands your perspective. Every conversation with someone wiser broadens your understanding. Every mistake you analyze turns into a master class. The habit of learning makes you limitless because there is no ceiling to knowledge. And what happens when you expand your mind, your vision expands too. You stop dreaming small because your mind has been stretched by new ideas, new models of success, new stories of resilience. And once your mind has been stretched, it never goes back to its old limits. Of course, no matter how much you learn, no matter how much you grow, you cannot ignore the power of your environment. You can be disciplined, resilient, and intelligent, but if you are surrounded by people who drain your energy, who discourage your dreams, who minimize your efforts, you will constantly feel weighed down. This is why choosing your circle wisely is not optional, it's essential. Imagine your life as a fire. If you're surrounded by people who throw water on it, your flame will weaken, no matter how much you try to keep it alive. But if you are surrounded by people who add wood, who fan the flame, who protect it when winds blow, your fire will roar. That is the power of the right circle. They don't just support you, they amplify you. They don't just believe in you, they remind you of your power on days you forget it yourself. And sometimes the transformation you're waiting for doesn't come from working harder. It comes from walking away from the wrong people and walking toward those who see the greatness in you. And finally, gratitude, the quiet but unstoppable force that elevates everything else. Gratitude is not about ignoring your struggles. It's about changing the way you carry them. When you look at your life through the lens of gratitude, you stop being a victim of circumstances and start being a creator of perspective. Even in hardship, gratitude whispers, there is something here for you. Find it. And that habit alone can shift everything. Gratitude doesn't just make you happier, it makes you stronger. Because when you can find beauty in the storm, nothing can take away your peace. When you can see blessings in small things, you stop waiting for massive victories to feel joy. And that joy becomes your fuel. Gratitude turns your life into a cycle of appreciation and abundance. The more you see, the more you attract. The more you attract, the more you celebrate. And the more you celebrate, the more energy you have to keep building. When you bring these habits together, you create momentum that is unstoppable. One habit feeds the other. Discipline fuels resilience. Resilience fuels learning. Learning attracts the right people. The right people amplify gratitude, and gratitude sustains discipline. It's a cycle, and once it begins, it becomes difficult to break because it feels so empowering, so liberating, so right. Think about your own journey. How many times have you said, I'll start tomorrow? How many times have you waited for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, the perfect motivation? The truth is, there is no perfect moment. There is only now. Transformation doesn't ask for your perfection. It asks for your commitment. It asks for one choice, one action, one habit at a time. And the most powerful thing about habits is this. They don't ask for giant leaps. They ask for small steps, repeated with consistency. You don't need to change everything today. You just need to start with one choice. Wake up when you said you would. Do the work when you don't feel like it. Read one chapter. Call one mentor. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. One habit, one day at a time. That's how entire lives are transformed. Your future self is watching you. That version of you, the one who is stronger, wiser, more fulfilled, is waiting for you to step into the habits that will shape them. They are not waiting for miracles. They are waiting for your consistency. They are waiting for you to stop wishing and start building. The habits you choose today are the seeds of the life you will live tomorrow. Plant them with intention, water them with disciple. Ayn. Protect them with resilience, nourish them with learning, surround them with the right people, and celebrate them with gratitude. Do this, and one day you will look back and realize you didn't just change your habits, you changed your entire life.